Hi, this is Neil with a tutorial on the select by height command. To use this command, you simply select a vertex, edge or polygon and run the command. It will select all corresponding geometry throughout your mesh, which has the same height above the ground plane. There's a more advanced version of the tool called select by height with options that enables you to select a range around the given height, as well as shortcuts to select everything at the current height and above, or everything at the current height and below. Really handy. In addition, you can use the tool in a diagnostic function to check the heights of all your floors or window reveals, or if you import a model and you want to just simply check the height of all the walls, for example. The command also works across multiple mesh items at once. A really handy tool. So that's the select by height command, part of mARCH for Modo 701.